Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to reset your JD Sports password easily. So let's get right into it. First, open the JD Sports app or head over to jdsports.com on your browser. Now tap on the three dots icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the account icon at the top. Under the My Details section, tap Edit. Here, you will see a button to reset your password. Simply tap on it. A password reset link has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that real quick. Simply tap on the link. Now enter your new desired password. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Once done, tap Reset Password. As you can see, your password has been updated. And yes, that's it. You have successfully reset your JD Sports password. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy guides, and feel free to leave any questions down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.